Jellyfish, both a delicacy and a killer creature. Turritopsis nutricula contains the secret of immortality. Jellyfish, also known as sea jellies, are the medusa-phase of certain gelatinous members of the subphylum Medusozoa, which is a major part of the phylum Cnidaria. Jellyfish are found all over the world, from surface waters to the deep sea. Large, often colorful, jellyfish are common in coastal zones worldwide. Jellyfish are made of an umbrella-shaped main body made of mesoglea, known as the bell, and a collection of trailing tentacles on the underside. Via pulsating contractions, the bell can provide propulsion for locomotion through open water. The tentacles are armed with stinging cells and may be used to capture prey or to defend against predators. Their bodies are almost entirely filled with water. They have no brains, hearts, and other organs, and they breathe directly through their thin skin. The largest jellyfish in the world, which can grow up to 36.5 meters, even longer than the blue whale. The smallest of the jellyfish are smaller than our fingernails. Jellyfish are, like other cnidarians, generally carnivorous, feeding on planktonic organisms, crustaceans, small fish, fish eggs and larvae, and other jellyfish, ingesting food and voiding undigested waste through the mouth. They hunt passively using their tentacles as drift lines, or sink through the water with their tentacles spread widely. The tentacles, which contain nematocysts to stun or kill the prey, may then flex to help bring it to the mouth. Although jellyfish are protected by nematocysts, sea turtles and sunfish still feed on them, and jellyfish are also a delicacy for many people. If the number of sea turtles decreases, the reproduction rate of jellyfish will surge. The excessive reproduction of jellyfish will naturally affect the reproduction of other fish and plankton, causing an imbalance in the ecosystem. Turtles make a living by preying on jellyfish. Except for their eyes, all other parts of their bodies are resistant to the poison of jellyfish. They close their eyes when preying on jellyfish. However, because there is currently a lot of garbage in the sea turtles often eat floating plastic bags as jellyfish and suffocate to death. Jellyfish are eaten by humans in certain cultures. The dish is often served shredded with a dressing of oil, soy sauce, vinegar, and sugar. Most jellyfish stings are not deadly, but stings of some box jellyfish, Irukandji jellyfish, such as the sea wasp, can be deadly. Stings may cause anaphylaxis, a form of shock, which can be fatal. Vinegar, 3 to 10% aqueous acetic acid, may help with box jellyfish stings but not the stings of the Portuguese man-o-war. Chironex fleckeri. Chironex fleckeri, commonly known as the Australian box jelly, and nicknamed the sea wasp, is a species of extremely venomous box jellyfish found in coastal waters from northern Australia and New Guinea to Indonesia, Cambodia, Malaysia and Singapore, the Philippines and Vietnam. It has been described as the most lethal jellyfish in the world, with at least 64 known deaths in Australia from 1884 to 2021. Being stung commonly results in excruciating pain, and if the sting area is significant, an untreated victim may die in 2 to 5 minutes. The amount of venom in one animal is said to be enough to kill 60 adult humans. Turritopsis nutricula. Turritopsis nutricula is a small hydrozoan that, once reaching adulthood, can transfer its cells back to childhood. This adaptive trait likely evolved in order to extend the life of the individual. Several different species of the genus Turritopsis were formerly classified as T. nutricula, including the immortal jellyfish, which is now classified as T. dornii. Can immortal jellyfish die? T. dornii may bend the rules to rejuvenate itself, but it can't always cheat death. For example, jellyfish, including immortal ones, are prey to other animals, such as fish and turtles. Polyps are also practically defenseless to predation by animals such as sea slugs and crustaceans.